Hello, welcome to number 14 Kelly Place, Loganlea. These beautiful properties coming on the market. Guys, this property is featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 good sized living area. Also this property featuring high ceiling ducted aircon and it comes with solar. This is perfect location in terms of lifestyle or investment. It's only a few minutes drive to M1, M6 and also Logan Hospital, Griffith University, Logan TEF. So you can't get any better. Make sure come to the open homes and check this one for yourself. Let's check it out.